Recording in progress.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Am I audible? Aditya? Aditya, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible now.
ओके बेटा अभी पीछे से दूर से आपकी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही थी Okay. Yesterday we were doing conditional clauses. Any doubt or any question related to clauses or conditional clauses? Any problem or any question? बताइए जल्दी से any question or any doubt, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am,
your voice is very low.
बेटा मुझे लग रहा है मैं आज ECQ उसके सिस्टम से क्लास ले रही थी तो शायद हो सकता है इस सिस्टम में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो अभी मैं जरा एक बार इसको चेंज करती हूँ उसके बाद बताइएगा ठीक आ रही है नहीं इज इट क्लियर नाउ
Yes, ma'am, better.
नो नाउ इज इट क्लियर नाउ लेट मी शेयर ओके here we have some sentences you have to fill the blanks with a proper clause. Generally, it is to be filled with a condition clause. If you are supposed to fill a principal clause, you can do or you should do accordingly. Okay? One by one, okay, first sentence, Aditya. आदित्य आप बताइए फर्स्ट सेंटेंस बेटा. हेलो.
यस मैम, कुछ बोला आपने?
हाँ बेटा, आपको एक लिस्ट शेयर मैंने की सेंटेंसेस की.
यस मैम, दिख रही है.
हाँ, तो आपको ये सेंटेंसेस आपको कंप्लीट करने हैं यूजिंग कंडीशन क्लॉज और प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट. So please complete the first sentence.
Ma'am, if he didn't have this homework to do, he would have gone with his family.
If he, yes,
If he didn't have,
yes, good. If he didn't have this homework to do, he would have gone out with his family. Next sentence.
she wouldn't have gone by train if she could drive.
She,
Wouldn't have.
okay. Astha, third one. Astha, third sentence. Abhinav. Abhinav.
Yes,
third
yes,
sentence.
ma'am.
Complete the third sentence using a condition clause. नहीं, condition clause तो यहाँ पर है. If it was not working, it is if it was not raining, आपको principal clause इसमें fill करना है. Complete the sentence using a principal clause.
मैम थाई वाला दे हैव आएगा.
बताइए आप.
Ma'am, they would have gone for a walk if it got
Ma'am would
raining.
have gone.
Exactly. They would have gone for a walk if it was not raining. Good. Fourth one. Fourth sentence.
If I were him, I wouldn't have.
If I were him, very good. If I were him, I wouldn't have quit my job until I would find or I had found another. I were जो मैंने आपको कल भी बताया था, we have to use past tense और in general we use was with I in past tense, but as it is a conditional clause, we have to use were with all subjects. Okay, next sentence. If they you may use any verb according to the sentence, according to expression. If they so much, they wouldn't feel ill now. Yes. Ready? Yes, Priti, complete the sentence pattern. Harshit? Harshit Kumar. Harshit Gupta.
Ma'am, if they had so much, they would not feel ill now.
If they,
Had
if they hadn't eaten so much, if they hadn't worked so much, they wouldn't feel ill now. बहुत ज़्यादा खाया नहीं होता तो अब इल फील नहीं करते, बहुत ज़्यादा काम नहीं किया होता तो इल फील नहीं. You can use any verb according to expression that may cause them feeling ill at present. So if they hadn't eaten so much, they wouldn't feel. You, yes, Astha, go ahead. The next one, beta.
ma'am would have.
You,
Ma'am, you would have so tired if you
you wouldn't be.
wouldn't. Yes,
You
ma'am.
wouldn't be so tired if you had gone to bed earlier. यानी यहाँ पर आप अगर आप पहले सोने चले गए होते, it means इसको भी आप would में ही बनाएंगे. You wouldn't be so tired. Next is yes. Sorry. Harsh. Harsh Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Can you complete it? Can you complete the sentence? Smith to Germany next month if he had got the job.
Smith come to Germany next month.
Would be moving. Smith would be moving to Germany next month if he had got the job. कि अगर उसको जॉब मिल गई होती तो वो अगले महीने जर्मनी जा रहा होता. ठीक है, सो वुड बी गोइंग और वुड बी मूविंग. Next, Anurag. Jay.
If we have won the lottery last night, we'd be rich.
If we
Won.
नहीं लास्ट नाइट है तो किस में जाएगा बेटा ये पास्ट में इफ वी हैड won if we had won the lottery last night past tense है ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे लास्ट नाइट है अगर आप इसको इमेजिनरी कंडीशन में रखते हैं तब आप इसको फ्यूचर के लिए रखेंगे इफ वी won the lottery ठीक है we would become rich बट क्योंकि लास्ट नाइट है तो ये पास्ट टेंस रिलेट करते हैं दैट्स व्हाई इफ वी हैड won the lottery last night we would be rich okay next sentence if Ravish had taken his camera he if Ravish had taken his camera he Priyansh Bharadwaj Sahil Anushka ठीक है अगर आप लोग नहीं चाहते कि क्लास आपकी इंटरेक्टिव रहे या आप एक लर्निंग का जो ये आपका प्रोसीजर है ये प्रैक्टिकल रहे तो मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आई विल अपलोड दिस आप इसको अपने हिसाब से करेक्ट करके देख लीजिए फिर यहाँ कराने का पर्पज सिर्फ एक है सभी को एक साथ पता चल जाता है करेक्शंस क्या हैं आपको वेट नहीं करना पड़ता फॉर द करेक्ट सेंटेंसेस और फॉर द एरर्स और फॉर द रूल्स
If Ravish had taken his camera, he would have. Sorry. He could take good pictures. He would have taken good pictures.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Okay. Is it visible now? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, if Ravish had taken his camera, he would have
He would have
Taken.
clicked some good pictures.
Yes, he would have clicked or he would have taken some good pictures. Very good. Next is he can write good stories if he can write good stories
Given a chance.
if he is given a chance or if he gets sufficient time, if he has piece of, okay, so various there, and this clause should be in present because this is in present, and write good stories. If dash he could write more.
If he had
Yes.
a bike, he could ride more of
If he had,
a bike.
very good. If he had a bike, he would. would have slept much better. Slept much better if
If you had studied earlier.
मतलब
If you worried less,
ठीक है, but if you had worried, ठीक है, yeah, if you had taken your medicines on time, you would have slept much better if you would have taken your medicines on time. कि would have सो चुके होते तो सेकंड क्लॉज भी आपको उसी स्ट्रक्चर में आपको बनाना है. I would go to the party.
if my assignment would be completed, if I had completed my assignment.
Very good. असाइनमेंट की टेंशन है, ठीक है. और if I got the I free by then. Next is if I इसको दोनों ही प्रोसेस को कंप्लीट करना है.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Okay, next sentence. Next sentence, if the sun shone, we would have gone for swimming. चलिए भी क्योंकि टाइम भी और ये का ये शुड कुछ ज़्यादा ही रहा है. I would like you to do something else. Tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Friday, we'll do agreement of verb with the. ठीक है, ये हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा prepositions. आज जो थोड़ा सा टाइम बचा है इसमें कुछ अलग कर लेते हैं. आई एम गिविंग यू सम एक्सप्रेशंस, यू हैव टू टेल मी वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर दैट. क्योंकि बाकी सारी क्लासेस में आप पढ़ते ही रहते हैं, तो यहाँ कुछ आप इंटरेक्टिव कर सकते हैं. इसमें सीखेंगे भी और बर्डन भी नहीं होगा. The condition is you will have to answer. Okay. First is makes an official examination of account. One who makes an official examination of Yogesh. Yogesh, you have to answer this. One word substitution for this complete phrase. One. मैं दोबारा बोल देती हूँ. One who makes an official examination of accounts. अनुराग. कबीर मित्तल माइक शो नहीं कर रहे. वेरी गुड. अभिनव.
Accountant.
नो.
Accountant, ma'am.
ऑडिटर्स. मैंने मेंटेनेंस नहीं कहा है. ऑफिशियल एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ अकाउंट्स. वन हु हैंडल्स अकाउंट्स, दैट इज अकाउंटेंट. बट वन हु मेक्स एन ऑफिशियल एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ अकाउंट्स, ऑडिटर. ठीक है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज अ पर्सन हु बिलीव्स इन or tries to bring about a state of lawlessness. जो लॉ में विश्वास नहीं करता, who believes in bringing about a state of lawlessness. बेटा एक साथ बैठ के अगर आप बुक से कोशिश करोगे, आप सारे नहीं सीख सकते. यू हैव टू गो थ्रू दीज वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशंस, सिनोनिम्स, एंटोनिम्स रिपीटेडली. और ये एक अच्छा तरीका है. अगर आप हर क्लास के बाद 5-10 मिनट कुछ वर्ड्स या कुछ एक्सप्रेशंस, कुछ वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशंस, कुछ इडियोमेटिक फ्रेजेस, वो आप अगर यहाँ पर कर लेते हैं, यू विल रिमेंबर देम. क्योंकि जब आप उनको करेंगे यहाँ पर एक इंटरेक्टिव वे में, तो आपको लंबे टाइम तक याद रहेगा. कि अच्छा उस सिचुएशन में हमने ये क्लास भी किया था. व्हाट?
Criminal.
नहीं बेटा, एनार्किस्ट, अराजकतावादी, एनार्किस्ट. ठीक है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज वन हु डज नॉट बिलीव इन द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ गॉड. One who does not
Atheist.
believe, atheist, but one who is not sure about God's existence. दोनों में फर्क है. One who is not sure about God's existence. Egoistic. चलिए नेक्स्ट तो आता होगा. One who feeds on human flesh. One who feeds on human flesh. Cannibal. ठीक है. Next is okay, a person who regards the whole world as his own country. A person who regards the whole world as his own country. Yes. Jay. Chanchal. नेक्स्ट क्लास से काम करते हैं जो देंगे उनके मैं यहीं पे अपने पास आपके मार्क्स नोट डाउन कर दूंगी. ठीक है. Let's start awarding marks. Yes, cosmopolitan. That is cosmopolitan, but the whole world as his own country, or who loves the whole world, considers, कुछ भी इसमें वर्ड आ सकते हैं. ठीक है. So that is cosmopolitan. Next time we start awarding marks. ठीक है. और आंसर देने के लिए टाइम होगा आपके पास 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, next is one who is for pleasure of eating and drinking. One who is for pleasure of eating and drinking. Epicure. E-P-I-C-U-R-E. Epicure. Next is someone who leaves one country to settle in another. Leaves his own country. हाँ, who leaves one country to settle in another, उसको आप कहते हैं. ठीक है, जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर जाते हैं. But one who leaves country to settle in another. And one who comes to the country, his own country, that is immigrant. दोनों में ये छोटा सा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट चलिए. One who does not express himself freely. One who doesn't express himself freely.
Introvert.
Introvert. And who expresses himself freely? That is
Extrovert.
Extrovert.
extrovert. Good. A person who is incapable of being tempered with. और ये person के लिए भी साथ आता है, साथ साथ किसी और चीज़ के लिए भी आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Who is incapable of being tempered with. जिसको आप इजीली टेम्पर नहीं कर सकते. That is impregnable. Impregnable